Hey guys, welcome back to Tracie's Place. I am making wings in my air fryer. I'm making naked wings for the first time, but I have made breaded wings already in the air fryer. I'm using onion powder, Cajun seasoning, black pepper, and garlic salt as my seasonings. And I do not have a measurement amount because everybody likes a different amount. So just make sure that they're coated good. And I'm going to show you what to do. Alright guys, I have 16 or 17 naked wings right here that I seasoned. What I am going to do is just spritz just a little bit of this Saute Expert, this Crisco virgin olive oil, just so it can be it's already non-stick, but sometimes it can stick just a little bit. And I'm just putting a little bit of that, as you saw. Now I'm going to put my wings in. Let me put this over here a little bit so they don't fall. I'm going to place them around in the basket. I have them all in. Let me see if I can lift that up. They're all in. Let me count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, so I just counted them as 17 in there. Okay, I'm going to go ahead. I pushed the tray in. I'm going to go ahead and turn the power on. It is set at 15 minutes automatically, and it's also set to 370 degrees automatically. So I'm going to leave it there, but I'm going to set the timer to 18 minutes and we're going to go from there. If they need more after we get done after the 18 minutes, then I'll put it on for longer. So we'll see how done they will be after 18 minutes. And as you can see, if you don't press the power button or what have you, after you have, reset whatever you're going to reset, it will start automatically without you, pushing this little circular power button. It starts on its own. And also over here at the same time, I have some potatoes going in the microwave. What I do is I just slit the potatoes with a knife. I stab them maybe like, I guess 5 times each. I put salt on them and oil, and I let them go for like 4 minutes each side, depending on the size of the potatoes. These are pretty big, plus it's a lot in here at one time. So like if you're just doing one big potato, you would do, I'd say 2.5 to 3 minutes on each side. But since it's this many, do 4 minutes on each side. Here are the wings. And look, they are golden brown. So let me cut into one just to make sure they are done. And y'all, I went ahead and stuck my knife in there. Then I tore a piece also. But as you can see, the juices ran. You probably can't see the juices, but anyway, the juices are running clear. And there's no pink or anything in there. They are ready. 18 minutes. I didn't turn these or anything. So 18 minutes and they are ready. Okay, I don't know if y'all can see the steam coming off of those potatoes, but they are ready. I flipped them already, so 4 minutes on one side, 4 on the other. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and peel these potatoes just with the regular peeler. And I don't know if you can see that steam, but they're hot, so I can't play around with them. I'm going to go ahead and peel these. Not all the peel is going to come off. Ooh, it's hot. It's okay if some skin is left on. I'm sorry I'm not going quicker, but it's hot, so let me take a minute to let them cool down. Alright, here are the potatoes, semi-peeled. There's still some skin left on, and that's okay. These potatoes do not have to look perfect at all. I'm just chopping them. You can probably see the steam still rising. But I'm just kind of chopping them up into chunks imperfectly. So with this, I'm just going to season these now with salt. This is just out of my salt shaker. And the ground black pepper. And some garlic powder. And I went ahead and put the potatoes in a half a cup of vegetable oil. So as you can see, they are going. You put a little bit more seasoning on, since before you put them in the pan, you only seasoned one side. So I just, go ahead and season the other once I get them into the skillet. And I just put in some diced onion. I'm sorry I didn't show it on camera. I just put in some diced onion. You can put in as little or as much as you want, or not at all. But I just stuck them in there because I like onions in mine. And they are all golden brown. They're about to come out in a few minutes. And here the wings are. They look so good. Can't wait to taste them.